Hello, Graceful friends! Welcome back to Gracefully Yours, your safe space to navigate career and life you love. Today, I want to share something close to my heart. 5 easy tech skills that anyone, yes, kahit wala kang tech background, can learn to start a side hustle right from home. Whether you're a student, working full-time, or stay-at-home mom, this video is for you. First up, Canva. Canva is a lifesaver hindi lang para sa mga creative people, kundi pati na rin sa non-creative. Dahil napakadali niya lang gamitin. Kahit hindi ka pro pagdating sa pagde-design, you can use Canva. You can design a social media post, a business cards, and templates. Maraming pwedeng gawin sa Canva. And pwede kang maka-access ng Canva for free. Ano ba yung mga side hustle na pwede natin gawin kapag marunong tayo ng gumamit ng Canva? Pwede tayong mag-offer ng design service, gumawa ng branding kits, at magbenta ng templates. Either sa Rocket PH or sa Etsy. Kung mahilig naman kayong manood ng TikTok videos, YouTube vlog, bakit hindi nyo subukang mag-edit? Tools like CapCut or yung ginagamit ko na BLLO, napaka-beginner friendly lang niya. And pwede siya free. Ano ba yung side hustle na pwede natin gawin? We can offer a basic editing for content creators, for bloggers. Alam niyo ba na ang mga brands ay nag-o-offer ng full-time job as a social media manager? Because they really need help. And if you know how to post consistently, create captions, and respond to comments, you're already halfway there. Pwede kayong mag-offer ng social media management for local copies, boutiques, or sa mga coaches. Kung meron naman kayong magandang phone camera and mahilig kayong kumuha ng mga aesthetic picture, you can do a product photography. That's already a skill. Pwede kayong mag-offer na mag-take ng mga photos ng mga products of local sellers. Create a content package, or even pwede nyo din yan ibenta yung mga pictures online. Pwede ibenta sa Canva or sa stock photo. And lastly, if you're organized and love numbers, this is for you. Pwede kayong mag-aral gumamit ng Excel or Google Sheets. You can create a tracker or planner. Pwede kayong mag-offer ng services such as business owner tracker, like expenses tracker, invoice trackers, profit trackers. So ayun na nga, graceful friends, 5 easy tech skills you can start learning today. The best part, most of them are free to learn online. Di natin kailangan ng fancy gear or expensive courses. Just your time, creativity, and a little courage. If you want me to create full video series, how to learn each one, comment below. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if this helped you. Until next time, stay graceful and stay curious. Gracefully yours!